Hey guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you all how to clean your makeup brushes and sponges in the easiest way possible. Cleaning your dirty makeup brushes is very important as they hold a lot of bacteria and don't distribute the makeup evenly as clean ones do. Using dirty brushes to do your makeup spreads bacteria from the brush to your face and vice versa. This in turn causes a lot of acne. To wash my brushes, I'm using a bar of soap. I damp my brush under the water and I swirl my brush on the bar of soap, making sure that the brush is evenly coated. Once my brush is nicely coated, I use the brush and swirl it on the palm of my hand, ensuring that all of the bristles are nicely lathered up. As I feel my brush is nicely lathered up, I continue to swirl the brush on the palm of my hand under a running tap. You'll know your brush is clean and soap-free once the water turns clear. I squeeze out the excess water from the brush to help with the drying process. And it's completely makeup free. This method works on any type of product you may have on your brush, whether it's eyeshadow, foundation, eyeliner, etc. It works on each and every product. As you can see, this method doesn't need any type of fancy makeup cleansing pads or solutions. All you need is a bar of soap and your palm of your hand and you'll get the job done. And now to clean your beauty blender, all you need is a couple of olive oil drops on the bar of your soap. Once that's done, swirl the sponge onto the bar of soap. Gently massage and squeeze your beauty blender. Doing this will remove all the makeup stains on the blender. Continue to squeeze your blender under the running water until the water turns clear. Wring out the water from your blender and you're done. An all clean blender. For the drying process, I fold a hand towel in half and place it on top of a steel plate which has high edges. I place my brushes in a slant position with the bristles facing downwards. This is to ensure that the water doesn't seep into the barrels of my brushes, making my brushes last longer. And we're done. I recommend cleaning your brushes after every application to keep them bacteria free. This is the final result. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye bye.